Hi, this is Angel LSX. In the last video, I had the throttle body connected and I had the cash can. But today, I installed the fuel pressure regulator. I gotta install the gate. I have it right there. I have it installed. I'm gonna do that right now. And I also ran the lines. Now I'm gonna install the injectors on it. Injectors, and I'm using a tall injector, 80-pounder injectors. Oh boy. I'm using this. Yeah, this is the injectors I'm using right now. So today, we're gonna be installing the injectors on the fuel rails. And what else? I gotta wait on the map sensor adapter. And I think that's it. I'll be able to start it. And I also got the headers. The headers for the turbo. I have it already. I got the box. I just got it. So I'm gonna start it like this to see if it start. Tomorrow I gotta go get the map sensor. The map sensor. If I get it started, that's it. I'm gonna put the turbo setup and that's it. We're gonna be in the street soon, guys. We're gonna be in the street, and then I gotta tune it, take it to the dyno. Oh, I gotta run the line. I gotta run the line from the throttle body to yeah, I gotta run the line. So, yeah, this is it. I got the fuel rails out here because I'm about to put the injectors on it. Yeah, I'm about to put the injectors in. How's that looking, guys? Looking nice. Looking nice. I'll put the gauge right now. Hold on, what is this? Yeah, right here. If you finish, I got left some thing. Alright, so hold on. This is my hand. Oh boy. I'll be connecting that gate right here. Gate right here. The thing go right there. Wire go right there. The thing go right there. I'm gonna have one right there and another one right there. So yeah, I'll be right back as soon as I put the injectors on the fuel rail. Enjoy LSX. Another day, another dollar. Alright, so everything is already connected. The injectors on the fuel rail, everything already connected. I had to use an elbow in the back because it was hitting the firewall, so I had to get an elbow and put an elbow right there so I can be able to turn the hose to the other side to the pressure gate. So on this side, the injector is already connected also on this side. The only thing is that this cable, I'm gonna have to pull it a little bit because it's, I don't know what's going on here. I'm gonna have to pull the harness a little forward because it's too tight. So yeah. Oh, another thing, once I put the throttle body in it, I had to bang right here because it wasn't closing. So now I gotta take the hood off so I can fix it up on the top, because once I paint it, you're gonna be able to see it. So I had to bank a little bit here so I'll be able to close it now. So now the hood closed right. So now I gotta get me the elbow for there, connect the map sensor, and that's it. Alright, so I just finished installing the map sensor. I bought it and it's installed already. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna see if the engine wanna start. Alright, so I'm on myself, as you guys can see. Hold on, let me see if the engine wanna start. Give me a second. Oh. Okay. Oh, I don't think I got battery. Uh-oh, hold on. Let me see. Check for leaks. Running. Gotta check for leaks. No leaks yet. Let me see if you want to crank. Okay. I had to stop that video because I was leaking from here. I was leaking from this, so I put a stopper and I put some RTV on it. I don't know if you were supposed to do that, but I did it. And now I'm not leaking anymore. So I'm checking for leaks. I already checked for leaks and I don't got no more leaks. So I'm gonna see if I crank it up. So one thing. So I think I found my problem. I think my problem is the battery, because since the car was sitting for so long, I haven't charged the battery. So I'm gonna charge the battery, and I will be right back with you guys. So I got all the setup for the turbo. I have it already. I'm gonna see if I crank it up first, and then I put all the setup for the turbo. I don't think I'm gonna do it today. I'm gonna do it in another video, but for now, I want to get this started. So, alright, so everything is set up. Alright, it's charging. Let's see. Let's see if you wanna start. Let's see. Gonna turn this thing. Do it 3 times. Well, I got the battery already charging, so let's see. In the meanwhile, I'm checking all the connections because it's weird. Shit weird. Injectors, check. Coils, check. That side check already. Let me check on the injectors on this side right here. This one is connected. This one on there is already also connected. Coils connected. Oh man, look! I think I found one of the problems. So this one, is not connected. So that might be a problem right there. So it's already connected. Let me see. This shouldn't start now. It should be starting. It should start now. It was down one coil. So let's see. I ain't put it on engine start. So okay, it's an engine start right there. So it says ready. So I'm gonna try it now. Let's see. Where's my keys? My keys right there. I should be able to start it now. Okay. Time. Let's see. Start now. Guess I'm gonna have to leave it right there charging. Let's see if you want to start. Are you recording? Yes, you're recording. Let's see if the engine want to start. All right, so the engine did start before I was recording, but the problem is that I'm by myself and I couldn't record it, but the engine did start. The problem is I have no battery, so I got it right here charging. I was charging right there. It's charging, so and it's already late. It's already nighttime. As you guys can see, it's already nighttime. I ain't got no light. I was using this one here, but it popped. I don't know. It makes a loud ass noise and broke. I gotta buy me a new one so I can put it right there. I'll buy me a big one though, so I can see at night. So I can be able to see at night. What I'm doing, I was taking the other headers that I had. I was taking it off because I gotta put this one there for the turbo. So I'm gonna set the turbo right there. I think I gotta take off the inner fender, or if not, I'm gonna make something happen here. I'm gonna have to cut it and make something happen right there, because the turbo gonna sit right here. Gonna sit right there. A big turbo, big ass one. So I gotta connect the other side, and I gotta go under and then do all the piping. I gotta make something happen right here. I think I gotta cut right here. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut it right there, and I'm gonna put the radiator inside. So for now, I'm using tape until I get the herbal, the 102 herbal. But for now, I'm using this. It's not gonna stay like this. I just did it because I wanted to start the engine. And this right here, you see it like this, all raggedy. It's not gonna stay like that. It's not. I'm gonna fix it up. But I wanted to, to start the engine. So now I know the engine start. So what I did was good. I did a good job on it. And I gotta put the bracket I had right there. If you are following me in the previous videos, you know that bracket goes right here. But since I gotta make a little cut here so the radiator can sit inside, and the fans, I gotta take the fans out of there and put it right here on the inside, the other side. Yeah, so I can do all the piping for the turbo. And the exhaust for the turbo, I think I'm gonna get it out through here. Yeah, because I was supposed to go back on the tunnel right there, but I don't have no space. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it to the side. Gotta make a hole right here on the side for the turbo. Maybe right here. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave it up to here. I got the battery charging, so tomorrow when the battery's already off charged, charged up, or already charged, or however you guys say it. I'm gonna come back to it. I'm gonna start it, and that's it. Turbo. I forget about that one. This little baby's going turbo. Turbo.